If you are tired of spending hours every single week trying to turn your long-form videos into engagement-ready clips for social media, then this walkthrough is going to save your sanity. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I transform lengthy podcasts and webinars into viral-ready shorts, add dynamic captions, and automate my entire content calendar. We are going to move beyond the traditional, slow workflows like manual stitching in Final Cut or juggling spreadsheets with basic editing apps. The reality is that discovery happens in short-form content. And if you aren't consistently posting clips from your long-form shows, you are leaving massive reach on the table. The bottleneck for most creators is the tedious process of finding the best moments, formatting them for mobile, and then manually remembering to post them. I have shifted my entire process to use Vizzard, which acts as an intelligent layer that sits between my raw footage and my published socials. Let's dive right into the mechanics of how this works by imagining we had just uploaded a 45-minute interview file. Almost instantly, the platform's AI scans the entire video and flags potential viral moments, laughs, hooks, and high engagement segments. Instead of scrubbing through 45 minutes of footage manually, you are presented with a list of trimmed clips that are already at the perfect length for platforms like TikTok or Reels. You can quickly preview these suggestions, reject the ones that don't fit your brand, and tweak the start and end times if you need to refine the cut. The major difference here compared to using traditional editors is that the tool does the hunting for you, saving you from the exhausting task of searching for highlights. Next, we have to talk about captions because 80% of viewers scroll with the sound completely muted, making subtitles non-negotiable for success. The AI generates accurate captions automatically and is smart enough to break them into readable, punchy chunks that fit mobile screens perfectly. You can select style templates that match your brand's personality, customizing fonts, colors, and the placement so they never clash with your face on screen. This entire captioning workflow is so much smoother than exporting from one app just to import and format in another layer. You can also drop in custom text elements like an attention-grabbing hook at the very top or a call to action button at the end of the clip. These animation presets are clean and subtle, designed to catch the eye without making your video look like it was created with a cheap, flashy template. If you are tired of keyframing every single motion on a desktop timeline, you are going to love how fast this feels by comparison. For the audio, you have the flexibility to swap tracks, layer in your own high-quality podcast mic audio, or adjust background music levels. While it is not a replacement for a professional audio suite, the in-app adjustments are more than enough for 95% of creators. Now, the feature that really changes everything is the integrated scheduling and content calendar. Instead of manually exporting files and juggling upload times, you can set an automatic schedule to publish to all your connected social accounts simultaneously. You can decide the frequency of your posts, such as daily or weekdays only, and the system intelligently spaces them out to avoid repetitive content. If you have spent your life living in a chaotic spreadsheet to manage your content, this experience feels like absolute therapy. The calendar view gives you a brilliant visual overview of what is going live, letting you tweak captions or hashtags without ever leaving the browser. Comparing this to other software like Premiere or Final Cut, those programs are incredible for high-end color grading, but are way too slow for volume content creation. Other online editors might be decent for simple cuts, but they almost never offer the intelligent clip selection or the first-class scheduling that we need. Vizzard hits the sweet spot. It does not try to replace a full film studio, but it automates the repetitive parts of the job that every creator hates. Of course, I have to be clear, the auto-detected clips are just suggestions, so you should always review them to ensure the context remains crystal clear. Sometimes a short quote pulled from a long conversation needs a tiny bit of human context added to the start, but that takes only seconds to fix. My favorite workflow hack is batch processing, where I upload 3 or 4 long videos at once and let the AI do the heavy lifting while I get coffee. If you pick one consistent caption style and stick to it for a month, you will notice that your audience recognizes your clips much faster when they scroll by. Always remember that the first 1 or 2 seconds determine whether someone keeps watching, so ensure your hook is the very first thing they hear. If you have a clip that performs exceptionally well, repurpose it for another platform with a different crop or a fresh thumbnail to squeeze more life out of it. Exporting is just as simple, with pre-configured settings for vertical 9:16 formats for TikTok or square formats for the Instagram feed. Ultimately, if you are serious about content, this tool solves your 2 biggest bottlenecks, finding the gold in your footage and getting it published reliably. It is not here to replace your creative skills, but to remove the technical friction so you can focus on making better ideas instead of fighting with the software. If you want to try this for yourself, upload just one long video, let the AI suggest those first few clips, and schedule them out for the rest of the week. Check back in a few days to see what sticks with your audience, and then scale your production based on what is actually working. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to subscribe because I have more tactics coming on how to blend AI tools with manual polish. That is the gist of it. Go film something long, let the tech handle the busy work, and spend your precious time on quality ideas instead of endless cuts. I will catch you in the next one, so get out there, create something awesome, and stop stressing about your content calendar.